Hi, this is Joe with Vortex Optics, here today to talk to you about our Vortex Solo Monocular. The Vortex Solo Monocular comes in several different sizes, an 8 and 10 by 36, I have the 8 by 36 here in my hands, as well as an 8 and 10 by 25. So let's take a minute and walk you through the features and benefits of this sweet little optic. Alright, we're going to walk you through the Vortex Solo Monocular right now. I'm going to walk you through the 36mm here, which has the utility clip, and I've got the 25mm here for reference. The first thing you're going to notice is that these are very small and lightweight. They come in at under 5 inches and both of them are under 10 ounces. So starting at the front of the Solo, all the optics are fully multi-coated, which just means you're increasing the light transmission as well as the resolution, giving you those clear, crisp images that you're looking for. They are fully rubber armored, which means they're extremely durable. There's also no alignment issues that you have to worry about. In a binocular, you've got 2 barrels, whereas in the Solo, you just have 1. Internally, they are nitrogen purged and O-ring sealed, which means they're waterproof and fog proof. Again, on the 36mm, we have this unique utility clip, which makes it extremely versatile. On the sides here, you've got a spot for a lanyard, which does come with the Solo. Then we've got the focus wheel here, and then we have a twist and lock eye cup on the top here. So if you had eyeglasses, you'd have it in the down position as you're seeing here, or if you didn't have eyeglasses, you'd have it twisted back. All right, that's gonna cover it for the Vortex Solo Monocular. If you're looking for a small, lightweight, versatile optic for your next adventure, I strongly urge you head down to your local Vortex authorized dealer and check out one of these today. As with all of our monoculars, the Solo comes standard with our VIP warranty, which is our unlimited, unconditional, lifetime guarantee.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Doug from Carson Optical, and today we're going to check out a really cool, super compact monocular called the CloseUp. The CloseUp is an ultra-portable, 6-power monocular that has the unique ability to focus on things as close as 10 inches away. The lenses on the CloseUp are fully coated. A fully coated lens helps with light transmission, allowing for better performance in low light situations. It also helps reduce glare and makes for a really clear image. If you're going hiking or just going for a walk, you're most likely going to want to pack light. The CloseUp weighs less than 2 ounces and will allow you to see all the cool things nature has to offer up close. But it's also like carrying around a portable field microscope. We've included a wrist strap to prevent you from dropping the device. We've also included a carrying case for added protection. With the CloseUp, you can now explore the outdoors up close and far away. It's the perfect all-in-one portable monocular. I'm Doug from Carson, and I'll see you next time.
It showed up today. This is my monocular. That's what they call it, a monocular. I guess you can call it half of a binocular. Here's what comes with the monocular. You get the directions. Who reads them, right? But what I noticed after reading them, they use the word forbidden to clean the inner parts of the monocular. Forbidden. It zooms in on various different items from far, far away. This holder connects to your phone. This particular one comes with a compass. Anyways, here's the front lens cover. It's rubberized. The cover's kind of a rubber texture. But I'm going to show you the difference between your camera zoom, and I'm going to zoom in way on top of that mountain up there. There's a tree, okay? And I'll zoom in on my camera. So here's the camera zoom. Takes a second to clear up. That same tree, right up there, the tallest one. So that's it. Let's hook it up and I'll show you the same zoom. Okay, so that's with the telephoto lens, or the monocular. What we have is the phone hooked up, not zoomed in totally yet, but you can see that tree right in the middle of the frame. And I'm going to zoom in on that now. Okay, so you saw what it looked like. Here's another reminder. This is with the phone. So we're going to zoom in. I don't know, what do you think? It's a little grainy. It's definitely clearer and closer. Back to the camera. And now we're back to the telephoto lens. I don't know, there you go. It'll be okay with some video shots, I guess.